让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. This month we are teaching you the phrase cannot, like you can't go to work, you cannot do this because of certain reasons. So how do you say 没办法 in Hakka?
冇法度，
冇法度 OK 冇法度没办法有的时候就是感冒啦就没办法去上班了
是啊
对不对虽然我们的心是很想要去工作的
但是只能在家休息啊
加上我觉得同事啊也会说不要来啊不要传染给我对 When you catch a cold when you have the flu please stay at home and call in sick or whatnot and you just can't go to work okay so you're gonna call in early that you're sick 我打电话给老板啊或主管啊会觉得怎么会6点半打给我
对呀那么早打电话干嘛
到底有什么事就是要请假了啦这么早打电话来有什么事吗
按奏大天发來
按奏大天發來
有乜嘅事情係冇
有乜嘅事情係冇OK 有什麼事情呢對不對好有乜嘅事情 that means what business do you have what can I do for you calling so early 這麼早打電話
按奏大天發
打天發 that means to call 哎呀我感冒發燒而且那聲音一定要是
我感冒發燒了
感冒發燒我今天沒辦法上班I caught the flu I can't come to work today
捱寒到發燒
捱寒到發燒
見本日
見本日
冇法度上班
冇法度上班上班就是上班 That means going to work I cannot We taught you is 冇法度然後感冒發燒叫做
寒到發燒
寒到了I got the cold 發燒 That means 發燒 fever Alright 好啦這個時候主管就說我知道啦你在家好好休息吧How do you say that
捱啲咧
捱啲咧
唔啲不下
唔啲不下
好好歇困
好好歇困我以為你要過聖誕節是要好好的休息啦 right Let's review some of these phrases 哇這邊好多好實用的片語包括打電話 to make a call
大天發
感冒 to have the flu
寒到
and then to have a fever 發燒
發燒
and finally take a rest right 要休息
歇困
要好好歇困right It's all about the phrase again this whole month It's 沒辦法 I cannot
冇法度
and now you know hope you stay healthy but if you get sick call in sick That does it for today's Practical Hakka
什麼太假
安子 say 張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.